How's it going, guys? Today is day 3 on the Des Plaines River. As always, we're joined by Kyle. Say hello, Kyle. He doesn't want to say hello. So let's get to fishing. Okay guys, we already have one fish on the board and my GoPro was being glitchy, so didn't get it on video, but I'll put a picture right here. This is small bass. This is day 2 on the river. Ah, crap. There's for sure gonna be a fish here. I hit it. It's so shallow. Bet. Alright, take off that lure. Take off that lure and put on a new one. Oh, fish. You bit it like twice. That was for sure a pike. Had to have been. Come on. There he is. Oh, it's a bass. Thought that was a pike. This is a tiny bass. Nothing special, just a dink. Go back in the water. Thank you for biting. What? Today's gonna be way worse. Why? We've gotten 2 bass. You caught 2 bass. Yes. I'm gonna catch the right view. Nice bass. These are chonks. What the heck? Oh, my swim bait's messed up. Okay, there. He missed. Get it again. Is he there? I don't know. Oh, he broke me off. That was massive. Follow bait? Oh, crap. He literally bit me off. I was not expecting to get broken clean off today, especially since I put on new braid. I'm gonna try sparkly. See how this goes. Come on, man. There we go. I'm gonna get hit right here. Oh my! Get in the boat, bud. Did we get that on film? Yes, we did. Another blow up from a pike. Beautiful. This one is much smaller, however. Still nice though. Okay guys, this is small pike. Just get him unhooked and get him back in the water real fast. The pliers. Not trying to get hooked today. Okay, there. So slimy. Let's get him back in the water, guys. Peaceful release. Thank you for biting, bud. Woo! On the swim jig. Okay, let's go back out there. Good pike spot. Oh, my gosh, it's right now. It only takes like a few seconds. Oh, I have my GoPro batteries in here. Put them in the case. No, they could easily fall out of my pocket. I know, I was dumb and they could have easily fallen out of my pocket. It's like 25 bucks worth of batteries. Hello. No, I think this was a spot. So remember as we were leaving, I caught one. Oh. Nice. Come here, bud. Boat flip. Boat flip. Boat flip. That was a nice take and a nice hook set. I told you there was fish on this. This is a solid northern. Very pretty. Look at that face. Very, very, very pretty. Let's release him. Go back, swim off, and grow. Some beautiful fish. I love northern pike. Ah. There's one. Are you good, bud? He's not fighting at all. Okay, let's just get him out of the water and back in real quick. Oh, there he goes. Where are my pliers there? Beautiful. Look at the colors on that. He has some spots on the top of his head. I don't know what that means. If anyone in the comments can tell me. But let's let him go. Back in the water you go. Hello?
Hey, are you gonna make it there by 2?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like you still have a pretty far way to go.
Yeah, but now we're actually paddling.
Okay. Probably the fishing needs to cease and just paddle. Yeah.
Okay, bud.
All right. Bye.
Okay. Well, at least you caught it. How many did you caught? One bass? Two. Okay. That's better than getting skunked like Giacomo. Cast like along here real fast. It's because of your swim bait. No, I got bit right over here yesterday. Is he there? Actually, maybe it was rocks. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe it was rocks. There's a lot of rocks and I didn't realize that they went so far out. Fish. I had my thing wrapped around my rod when I set the hook. Let's try that again. Felt like a pike. Fish. I got one too. Double up. Bass. Woo! We doubled up. Yours is much bigger than mine though. I knew there was something small over here. I just got a tiny bass. Put him back in the water. Chunk. I knew there was something small over here. Oh, I know why. There's a bunch of bait fish right here that they're all feeding on. I
really wanted that to be a pike.
Yeah, I thought that would be a pike. No, there's a bunch of... Okay, this spot's like actually a semi-decent... Oh! Okay. Oh my God. This guy's a mean guy. Tiny.
Put him back in the water.
There's so many bait fish over here and they're all just eating them. Good. Okay, yeah, we need to go. My dad's like practically here, so we need to go in. Oh. Do you have your net? That was a good take. This is a good fish. There. Okay, you got your phone? I'm holding it pretty weird.
I got it.
You got it?
Doesn't matter, it's where it is.
Okay, there. That is a nice fish. Let's put him back in the water. Go back.
His tail was like a lime green.
Yeah, it was cool.